Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. I'm just giving you a quick update on the super fast and easy mile-a-minute baby blanket. How cute is this? Are you loving that border or what? I was like, it totally needs a border. So that's why it's a bit late. Now, I want to just fix the border. I think it's a bit, there's extra stitches over here. It's not laying perfectly flat, so that is bothering me a bit. Worked on it on the other end and have it figured out where it lays down nice and flat. I also have the long edge laying down nice and flat, so I'm super happy with it. It's great. And look how sunny it is already where I'm filming. This is what I'm working on. But I think it's worth it to frog it back. I want it to be absolutely, can I take this sun down a bit? I want it to be absolutely perfect, and it is so close. Look at that goodness. I'd rather frog it back and have it perfect. But know that I'm working on it and know that it is coming along great. Look how great that is. Isn't it dreamy? I'm gonna frog it back, this last row, and have it laying super flat from the get-go. So, tutorial coming out tomorrow. Can't wait. Isn't it so cute? I'm in love with it. I'm in love with it. So I hope you guys are having a super fab day. We'll see you tomorrow. Stay hooked.